Intro. Hook, have you ever heard of Monzo? The online bank that's been making waves in the financial world. But is it too good to be true? Is Monzo a scam or a legitimate financial institution? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. What is Monzo? Give a brief overview of Monzo, highlighting its unique features and how it differs from traditional banks. Why the skepticism? Address the common concerns and doubts people have about Monzo, such as its online-only nature and lack of physical branches. The rise of online banking. Discuss the increasing popularity of online and mobile banking and how Monzo fits into this trend. Monzo's legitimacy. Regulatory approval. Explain how Monzo has obtained the necessary licenses and approvals to operate as a bank. Customer protection. Discuss the safeguards in place to protect customer funds and data. Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, regulation. Highlight the role of the FCA in overseeing Monzo and ensuring it complies with industry standards. Monzo's features and benefits. Fee-free banking. Discuss the benefits of Monzo's fee-free current accounts, including no monthly fees, overdraft charges, or foreign transaction fees. Instant budgeting. Explain how Monzo's budgeting tools can help users track their spending and save money. Roundup savings. Discuss the concept of roundup savings and how it can help users accumulate savings effortlessly. Community and customer support. Highlight Monzo's active community and responsive customer support. Addressing common concerns. Security and data privacy. Address concerns about online security and data privacy, discussing the measures Monzo takes to protect customer information. Lack of physical branches. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online-only banking and how Monzo addresses the lack of physical branches. Limited account features. Address concerns about Monzo's limited range of account features compared to traditional banks. Customer testimonials. Real-life experiences. Share testimonials from real Monzo customers, highlighting their positive experiences and the benefits they've gained from using the bank. Case studies. Present case studies of individuals or businesses that have successfully used Monzo to achieve their financial goals. Comparison with traditional banks. Key differences. Compare Monzo to traditional banks, highlighting the advantages and disadvantages of each. Pros and cons. Discuss the pros and cons of using Monzo versus a traditional bank, considering factors such as fees, convenience, and customer service. Conclusion. Summary. Recap the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing Monzo's legitimacy and the benefits it offers to customers. Final thoughts. Share your personal opinion on Monzo based on the evidence presented in the video. Call to action. Encourage viewers to learn more about Monzo and consider opening an account if it aligns with their financial goals. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, when it comes to Monzo, the choice is yours. Is it fake or real? You decide.